So I'm going to stain these oak. You can see these are from the palette. I kind of Frankenstein them together, but I have extra of the stain, so I'm going to see if it works. So I'm going to stain these. I have to do 2 coats. Now this is just for a deck, usually on decks. So we'll see how it goes. I want to kind of try to hide these splice pieces, but I don't think you'll see it. So we'll see how it goes. I'll do one real quick to show you. This wood is very dry, so it's been sitting in my garage for a while. I didn't know what to do with it. That's what happens when you're a hoarder, I guess. So the first coat is a penetrating. The second coat I'll do tomorrow will be a sealer. That's for decks. You really don't see the splice really, but I'll know it's there because it's me. So try not to leave some pools. Stain will be darker than the others. I didn't want to paint this because I had this extra. So I got this can at Lowe's for $20. Usually it's a $60 can. They were just getting rid of it, I guess. Clearance things. So I'll do the other one real quick for you guys. Yep. I gotta see if that place has any more pallets. I can make a lot of cool stuff with this. Wiped up. So these will be a dark chocolate brown, or a little darker than this once the second coat goes on, but And all right. Oh. That is it.